Today is event day. I'm so excited. You know, I gotta bring y'all along. I'm about to go get some lemons because I got some yesterday, but I feel like it might not be enough. And I'm very much a person that's like, I'd rather have too much than enough, or too much than not enough. So I'm up bright and early. I didn't mean to get up this early. It's currently 9:54. I want to get to the venue at 4. My parents are out of town, so I have to go check on the family dog. So I'd say I want to leave my parents' house to get to Southfield at about 3:15 because like I'm not playing today. Normally I'm always like in a super rushy mode, like I'm trying to get everywhere, like oh my god, like rushing until people start walking in, and like today I don't want to do that. So I'm coming 2 hours early. I don't want to get there at 4. I want to get there like 10 minutes before 4 so that I can take 10 minutes to unload everything. I don't have to bring the bar today, which I'm so happy about. If you're a mobile bartender, like I don't know, I love when the venue provides a bar, especially if it's a nice bar, because that's less that I have to do. My bar is heavy. It just makes everything more nice and just slow and at ease, because all I have to do is unload like cups, syrups, the juices and all that stuff. So I'm super excited. I get to make content today. My boyfriend's coming. He's gonna help me with content. I'm so happy. I got my braids, hair done. I got my nails done. They are like olive martini inspired, which I'm so excited for. I'm like, as a bartender, you know, you need to have the nails done because content, okay? My dad said they're giving Christmas nails. They kind of are. But I don't know, I like them. I think they're really cool. I'm about to head to Walmart, get what I need. Oh, and I have to go to my storage unit, which I'm gonna show you guys that as well, to just show y'all the real, because that storage unit is stacked. I had my own apartment and I decided to move out. Me and my boyfriend were gonna move in together, but then we couldn't find a place that we liked, so I just said, look, I'm gonna just move home, save some money. But I ended up pretty much moving in with him. Like my bed and stuff and everything's in, my bed's at my parents' house, in the guest room, but all my stuff for my apartment's in storage, like, but I moved all my clothes to his place, so I'm pretty much living there now. But I'm not gonna talk too much in the car because I don't want my channel to just consist of me in the car all the time, because I don't know, when I watch people, like I want to see you outside of the car. Like I don't want to see you in the car. So I might vlog in Walmart, I don't know. I'm really just trying to get in and out, and honestly I'm trying to work on recording in public. It's so cringy. Oh my gosh, people just looking at you, and I know it's a part of content creating, but it's just so awkward still, no matter how normalized it is. So I'll check in with you guys when I get to Walmart. I'm just getting lemons. It's a 50-person party. It's a surprise party. For some reason I have a feeling more than 50 people are gonna show up, which is fine because the more the merrier, but I don't want to run out of products too fast. So I mean, it's lemons and limes. Like if I have extra juice, I'll have extra juice. But yeah, when I leave out of there, I'm gonna stop at my storage unit. If I don't show you guys Walmart, then I'll probably will just show you guys my storage unit, prop y'all up, take you guys with me, and just see what it's looking like and everything I have in there. So I'll check in with you guys later. If you don't live in Michigan, please be happy, because this is just ridiculous. It's so cold out here, like literally freezing. Okay, I'm gonna check back in with y'all when I get to the storage unit. I was gonna say in like 15 minutes, but it doesn't even matter because you're gonna see it instantly. So bye. Y'all, I'm trying to get so much better at my vlogging because my boyfriend edits my videos and he's like, girl, you do not stay on topic. Look at this little thing. It came with some type of Etsy. So random. And shout out to my nail shop. This isn't my nail tech, but she's a nail girl at the shop. You just be going from topic to topic. It kind of smells like blueberry muffins. She ate that shit all the way up, okay? Ate it all up, no crumbs left, because it's so good. Like he's like, I mean, you talk, so that's good, but like, I don't be finishing my sentences, like I just be giving ADHD. So this is what the storage unit looks like. It's just like this outdoor type one. It's not indoors. I'm honestly scared because it looks crazy as hell in here. But my boyfriend was saying that I should organize it. I know I should. There's so much stuff in here. Oh, y'all, my couch is in here. Like, yeah, it looks pretty crazy. Like, I started going through stuff. That was really the problem. I probably shouldn't have did that. But we're here. I'm gonna sit y'all down. Who is about to hold this camera? Not me.
Love yours. No such thing. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. No such thing. No such thing. Heart beating fast. Let a nigga know that he alive. Fake niggas mad. Snakes in the grass. Let a nigga know that he
Free OG, a part of the Larii Liquid Courage? No.
Yeah.
Be careful with that because it's bottles, flash bottles. Oh, actually those cups, you can put those in my front, never mind. You gotta lay my seat down. Put them in my front seat. I actually don't need those. No, you know what? Bring them to me. I'm getting on his nerve. Thank you. Oh, be careful with that one. That's the ghetto one.
Why do you use this?
Because I have it, babe. He better let the seats down, mother lover. I love him though. I love that man right there. That man right there. Thank you, Bookie. So that one, babe, you might want to, the bottom one, you might want to carry by itself. You can just push everything in because I have to put the cooler in there too. Okay.
Have fun.
Bye.
I'll see you later.
Okay.
Bye.
Love you.
Love you too.
Love you too.
See you.
Bye.
Bye.
Hi. I'll see you later. So I actually lied to y'all. I was supposed to come back when I was doing my makeup, but I needed my camera to charge because we do not need to die there. The makeup's already done. I did like a heavy blush because I just love me blush. I kind of overdid it. But mascara, a little bright under eye, brows. My brows look really good. I need to get them done, but I just touched them up. We are packed and ready to go. About to pull out right now. It's currently 2:25, which I'm pretty much on schedule now that I got everything out the way as far as stopping at Walmart. I actually do need to stop again because I need water bottles. I forgot to get water bottles. I just want like the short water bottles. I don't need the big tall ones because people are gonna mess over those. But I don't need that many water bottles, and like 9 times out of 10 they're going to have water bottles. Right now we're just driving. I have to go check on the dog and then pretty much go straight there. I'm kind of early actually. I don't know what I was rushing for. Like honestly, I'm pretty good on time. I wish I could get ice now, but this venue doesn't have a freezer, which is so odd to me. Like, why would you not have a freezer as a venue? People need to freeze things or like keep them super cold or just whatever the case. But yeah, when I have my own venue, I'm just gonna take note of things that I feel like could be better at venues and things I also admire and just kind of like play on that. Definitely gotta have a nice bar. So when we get to the venue, I'll check in with you guys later. We finally made it in. The ice is gonna be in here. Black apron, black fence.
Every second,
To show this, but basically you just set the iPad.
hands up high, just the lights down right now. Put me in the mood.
Look at these gold shakers, you know. These are beautiful.
Go.
I recognize your fragrance. Hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit. And I know your taste is a little bit high maintenance. Everybody else basic. You live life on an everyday basis with poetic justice. Poetic justice. If I told you that a flower.
This is a pencil holder from Amazon, and I'm using it for straws.
You're in the mood for empathy. There's blood in my pen. Better yet with your friends and them. I really wanna know you all. I really wanna show you off.
How cute is this? I've never used this decanter. I'm gonna put this whiskey in here because it's the signature.
I heard that she wanna go and party. She wanna go and party. Nigga don't approach her with that Atari. Nigga that ain't good game, homie, sorry. They say conversation rule a nation. I can tell, but I could never right my wrongs unless I write it down for real. P.S.
Nice, Jada. Good job.
Okay, currently I am trying to put whiskey in the decanter because is this not giving bougie? Like, come on. Wait, can I project this one? Oh, I can't. I'm gonna have to pour it regular, but like, this is so cute. And I've never used it before. And she got the good stuff. This is good whiskey. That much. Now see. Put that back there. And look. Instant bougie. Tell me that ain't bougie. Tell me that's not bougie. And we got the goose set. When I tell you she went top shelf, her, Dura, and Wendy's.
Take a shot.
This is a commercial now. No. All gold everything. So our mixers here, liquors here. I'm missing one. Oh no, this is right. And you got the Prosecco. Prosecco's right here. I think that's pretty much it for now. That I'm bartending for. It's a surprise 40th birthday, and he thinks he's going to a black tie party, but really he's gonna walk into his own party. Hey y'all, I'm still prepping. People are starting to come, so I'm trying to batch the cocktails, get everything together so that people can just walk up, grab their drinks, and it's way easier than like making all the cocktails. So that's where we're at right now. My man's behind the camera. Wait, look at this, y'all. So cute. look at my drinks. They're so fucking cute. Like, look how cute, y'all. Your girl is stepping her game up. That's me.
Camera right there, the camera right there. Just don't stop. Don't play with him, we got. I know, like that. This is awesome right here. Don't play with him, we got. Hey, make sure you tip her. See the shit.
Niggas want me to get ratchet. Niggas want me to attack it. Put the hood on, they're calling me Cassius. Aren't you like Bob Saget? Greedy, I can't pass it. Eating everything, nigga, no fasting. I don't care what you knew me in the past tense. I ain't no Julia Styles, this ain't no last dance. Way past it. Way. Fucking on my ex, cause he better date me.
Say something.
Hey guys, book me for your event. The best motherfucking bartender in Metro Detroit. What are you talking about? Yeah. Child, we're at the end. We're down to our last bottle. Come, show them. Look how much we done been through. We went through the whiskey, 2 bottles of Prosecco, 2 Douces. You know the Douce gets you right. The Douce gets you loose. And we went through a Herradura. They drinking. All we got left. I'm so tired. I just got home. My makeup. Look at the under eyes. They're like hella creased. Oh my god. I'm so tired. I can't show below because I didn't already start stripping. But this was a really nice event. I feel like I didn't get to vlog that much because honestly I didn't have time to. My man, he vlogged a little bit, but it's just when you're bartending, it's hard to think about the camera. Honestly, that's why I always need somebody to do content for me because I'm not thinking about that. I'm trying to get these drinks to people. I am tired. I don't got much else to say. I'll probably pick up the camera tomorrow because I do want to work out, and maybe I'll talk a little bit more about the event. But I'm checking out, and I'll talk to you guys later.